Alrighty. Hello everybody, welcome to episode 44, I believe, Exploring with Edna. This is the final episode of the suspension work, steering component work, the front end stuff. I'm going to be replacing these felled sway bar bushings, the big frame ones, as you see. They're nice and cracked, not very supportive anymore. Here's the new ones right here. So I already got some nice slits in them just to slide them over. But these ones are nice and solid. The ride should be a whole lot smoother after this, so let's get them on. So here we go. Alright, so here we go, guys. The skid plate is now on. The sun glare, of course, in the camera, but that's alright. We got those replacement bushings in, the frame to sway bar bushings right underneath here. Those should be much more sturdier. We should have a nice solid ride now.
Yeah.
And I only have one bolt that decided to strip out on me, but I will get a replacement bolt and get that swapped out. That's one of these middle guys right here. But oh well, I will get that replacement on. No need to make a video about just installing a bolt. So if you guys have any questions in regards to installing these bushings, not that I'm a professional by any means, but I'm trying my best, feel free to comment down below or send me a message if you have any questions. And I hope you guys have a great day. Bye. Here's the old bushings, as you guys could see, all cracked and worn. They are, well, to say the least, completely failed. That sway bar was completely moving around in them. New ones are much better.